to Sahuna's classroom. Today is our last class of noun and we are doing gender today. If you notice, I have written these words: boy, girl, lion, lioness, hero, heroine, cock, hen. What did you notice? These words belong to either male or female category of human beings or animals. These are called every person or animal that is categorized in the male category is called as the masculine gender, and every person or animal that is categorized in the female category is called the female gender. For example, let's see. Masculine gender, we have man, father, king, peacock, bull. And for feminine gender, we have woman, mother, queen, peahen, cow. Now there is one more, in which category we don't know whether that category belongs, it actually represents both. For example, if I say parent, I don't know whether he's the father or the mother. I'm just generally categorizing a parent. That comes in the common gender because that word is used commonly for male or female. For example, we have person, parent, student, animal, bird. They don't have a specific gender. That they represent both. They represent both the masculine and the feminine gender. That's why they are called as the common gender. Now there is one more category that is called the neuter category, which actually which actually is used for all the things. Like if we remember when we did nouns, what are nouns? People, animal, place and things. So the things and places come in the neuter gender. Like for example, book, pen, room, tree, sofa. If you see, there is also the place over here, and generally there are things. So the all the nouns that don't belong in the masculine or female category are of neuter gender. So in general, nouns, name, place, animal, thing are categorized further in gender. All the animals and people are categorized in female, male, in masculine, feminine, and common gender is used for those who are which represent both masculine and feminine, and neuter gender is for places and things. I hope I have summarized the whole topic of gender in today's class. If there are any queries, you can contact me at sahuna's classroom@gmail.com. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.